Hello students, welcome back to our science class. Today I am going to deal the chapter number 8, materials and solutions. Now, what is material? Material is the substance of which a thing is made or composed of. Solutions. Solutions can be defined as homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. The substance which is to be dissolved in the liquid to make a solution is known as solute. This is our solute. This is to be dissolved in the liquid to make a solution is known as solute. The liquid in which solute gets dissolved is known as solvent. How to form solution? Let's do the activity. Take a glass of water and add 2 teaspoons of sugar in it and stir it well. What do you see? After some time, you will not be able to see the sugar. You will not able to see the sugar. Now taste the water. It tastes
Sweet.
very good. It tastes sweet. Why it tastes sweet? Because sugar has dissolved in water. The homogeneous mixture we get by dissolving solute in a solvent is called a solution. Sweet water. Solute means sugar and solvent means water. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Substances like sugar and salt dissolved in water, they are called soluble substances. Now repeat the same experiment with chalk powder. This is chalk powder. What do you observe? Chalk powder settles down at the bottom of the glass. It does not dissolve in water. Substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. For example, chalk, sand, wood, stone, etc. Sugar is solid while water is liquid. We know that in liquid there is space in between the molecules. So when we dissolve sugar in water, the sugar molecules occupy or take up the available space present between the water molecules. Check the volume of water in glass after sugar has dissolved. What do you find? You find that the volume of water in the glass remains the same even after adding sugar. Sugar does not need extra space as it only occupies the space available between the water molecules. If the quantity of solute is more than the solvent in a mixture, then that solution is known as concentrated solution. Let us perform activities to understand whether liquids are soluble in water. Take a beaker and half filled with water. Add 1 spoon of glycerin in it. Stir it well. The two liquids mix together and appear as one liquid. We say that these two liquids have dissolved in each other. They are miscible liquids. Alcohol is also a miscible liquid. Now take a glass of water, half filled with water, and add 1 spoon of mustard oil. 1 spoon of mustard oil on it and stir it well. We can see that oil forms separate layer on top. This shows that these two liquids do not dissolve, they are immiscible liquids. If the quantity of solvent is more than the quantity of solute in a mixture, it is called a dilute solution. Thank you.